Hello everyone, welcome to my channel of Learning Photoshop. Today I will show you how to apply scar on the face. Go to the top menu, click on File, then open the image. Once you open the image, go back and repeat the same process and open another image of the scar. Now I have two images, one image of scar and another face of Angelina. Now I want to apply this scar on this face, but before that I'll make some adjustments. I'll do some color correction. Move the sliders and try to match the color tone of the face. Once I'm done with this color balance, I hit OK and close the tab. Now drag and move this image of scar onto the face. And close this image window because we don't need it now. Now select this layer 1 and go to opacity option and move the slider down. Now grab the erase tool and choose soft round brush. And now start erasing the unwanted area. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.